Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Kling AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to head on over to Kling AI here. Now it's going to take me to klingai.com, and as you can see there is no profile button or sign out button on this page. What we need to do is click on that create button on the top right hand corner of the page. Now that's going to take us to the app section of Kling AI, as you can see here, and on the left hand side we've got these different tabs and we've got profile page. That means we are signed in. So if you see in profile page, that means you are signed in. So click onto profile page. From here we will see your name, and on the right hand side it'll say profile settings. So click on the profile settings. Inside profile settings now, scroll down, and then under policies and agreement we've got a little sign out, red sign out button. So go ahead and tap onto that, and now that's going to sign you out, and you can see you are successfully signed out. If you look on the left hand side under referral program, it says sign in.